Use Samsung LM301 diodes and Meanwell driver. Full spectrum light ideal for all stages of growth. Adjustable light intensity with dimmer switch. Protective waterproof coating on LED helps extend the lifespan. No fan, zero noise. Only consumes 100 watts, running 50% less power than the other 1500 QB lights, SMD LED, or Blurple lamps or HPS. This light delivers a powerful light output and uniform canopy penetration to resulting maximum yields. All CE, ETL certificated. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Durable and sturdy grow tent. 100% reflective Mylar interior maximizes the efforts of grow lights. Heavy-duty 1680D Oxford cloth exterior adds the durability. Reliable SBS zipper shut and open smoothly. Double stitching for strength and light protection. Well constructed with strong and sturdy steel frame. Plenty of openings for fans, vents, electrical cords. Removable viewing mesh screen for viewing and removing humidity. Waterproof tray prevent water leakage on the floor and keep tent stay clean. Number 2. Effective ventilation system. Quiet and powerful 4 inches inline fan and RC412 Australian charcoal carbon filter and flex aluminum ducting combo. Very easy to install and use. Gives strong airflow and proper air circulation, eliminates all unwanted odors. You won't smell anything but fresh air. Great for humidity control as well. Number 3. Money and energy saving complete grow tent kit. Compare the cost of individual items and the cost of our complete grow tent package. Our kit saves dollars and a lot of time versus buying each item separately. Designed to user-friendly. Comes with easy-to-follow installation instructions. Easy to assemble and very simple to operate, even for beginner growers. All parts are compatible and properly matched. Everything comes in one box with discreet packaging. Number 4. Worry-free purchase and ultimate maintenance. Buying a high-quality grow kit means that you'll get more value for a longer period of time. LED grow lamp offers a 3-year after service with a local maintenance center in the USA. Other accessories offer great guarantee. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Will this kit run on 220 volts, outside of the USA? Answer. The SF-1000 can work on 100 volts minus 277 volts. The plug end however is a standard 110 volts to 120 volts plug, so it will require an adapter for a 220 wall socket according to what standard you have. Question number 2. Is this setup large enough to hold 3 auto flower plants? Also, is the light powerful enough for that? Answer. Yes, the setup is enough to hold 3 plants, but if you want to achieve maximum yield, 2 plants are recommended. Question number 3. What is the difference between the SF-1000D and the SF-1000? Answer. SF-1000 uses Samsung LM301B diodes and Meanwell driver. This light is dimmable. SF-1000D uses different Samsung LM301D diodes and different drivers. It is not dimmable. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.